Hey, welcome back everybody. I know this isn't everybody's cup of tea, but I had to replace a car that I had bought for my wife because I got hit by a drunk driver in January. So I bought this PT Cruiser at Copart Auto Auction. It's an 04 GT, and believe it or not, it has 7,000 original miles. And the car was wrecked in the front. And I put that lower grill back in. The intercooler's got a ever so slightly dent in it, and the radiator support was pushed back maybe an inch. So I removed the bumper and pulled the radiator support back into place and put the grill back on. That's all I've done to this car. And I know everybody hates PT Cruisers, but my wife loves it. So it even has the original tires on it. Leather, loaded. I just tinted the windows. You can see I got the don't touch stuff on it. But right there, showing just shy of 7,000 miles on it. Not sure why they totaled it, but we picked it up. I paid $2,000 for the car. I don't think anybody's ever sat in the back seat. Very clean. Original tires. So like I said, $2,000. After fees and all that crap, it was about 2,600 bucks. I know it's not a Malibu. I understand. Most people come to my channels for the Malibu. So tell me, who wouldn't roll this car for that kind of money? And there's everybody's favorite. As you guys saw, I took it out the other day. Run pretty good. I haven't driven it far. I ain't gonna lie to you. I still don't trust it. But it did really good for me. So anyway, this car only has 60,000 miles on it. But anyway, since I've had so many people ask, like my friend Mike, he really likes this PT Cruiser. He's excited. He's even wanted to buy it from me, but my wife says no. She's gonna keep it. But anyway, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Share my videos. Help me get up a little bit higher up in some subscribers. So thanks guys. Take care.